Hello, guys. You're welcome back again on the Betong's Crypto. Today, I want us to look at what is going on in the market. Can Bitcoin go back to 12,000? I'm saying, can Bitcoin go back to 12,000? As if Bitcoin was was at 12,000 recently. But can we expect Bitcoin to go to 12,000? Looking at what is happening right now with Paxos, is it Paxos? BUSD. We saw what the Feds have done. They are trying to, consider BUSDT as securities. This means, well, if Binance BUSDT don't settle with the SEC or the Fed, yeah, I think it's the Fed, then yeah, it might have a huge impact in the market. So this is what we're going to discuss today, and also we're going to look at the entire crypto space, what's going on with crypto, some crypto news. So make sure you stay tuned here with me. I told you guys I'm going to be here live with you, looking at what is going on in the market, do analysis. Today I just want us to go through that. So if you say this is your first time on my platform, then you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button. Yeah, I create content that will make you massive reward 5 to 10 years from now. I am here long term. So if you say you are here long term, then do smash that subscribe button right now, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Having said that, let's first of all, I think let's look at not this one, the entire crypto space, to see what's going on. You can see Bitcoin is now at 21,600, Ethereum at 1,400. BUSDT, yeah, BUSDT is that's depressed a little bit at 0.99, but this is normal, right? XRP at 37 cents. BNB at 288. BNB is actually down for the past 24 hours 9%, while Bitcoin is just down -1%. That's why Bitcoin is one of the best out there to trade. If say you want to trade Bitcoin, it's really cool because it's not that volatile. You can see Ethereum is down just 3%, but the rest are really down. Like BNB is down, XRP is down. You can see, yeah, also Cardano is down, Dogecoin is down as well. But for the past 7 days, you can see that Bitcoin is not really that it's not that down the past 7 days, but the rest are doing not just good. Polygon as well is not is doing so well. But this is not what I want us to look at. Right now, I want us to look at this amazing news here about Paxos, and we're going to look at all other stuff that CZ has been tweeting about what is going on right now. But let's just go straight away to see this right now. Okay, let's see. Now it says Paxos stopped minting BUSD stablecoin for Binance. Paxos is, should I say, the issuer of BUSDT. According to CT, Paxos is solely responsible for BUSDT. Binance have no Binance is not in control in so whatsoever BUSDT is doing. So that's what they claim. Well, I don't know if that's the case, but I think Binance must have played a game behind the scene, to have some control. I don't know, but Binance, when you come to Binance, you cannot really get into the bottom of any news because the way CZ is running Binance is so difficult to, it's so difficult for regulators to put their hands on Binance. And we can see also that um Bitcoin could hit 10 million in 9 years, but more side chains needed blockchain CEO. So what they're trying to say is Bitcoin might hit 10 million, but if say this have to happen, we need side chains, to build on the Bitcoin blockchain. But I think what I want us to focus more is this. This tweet here. I'm gonna come back to this article, but I want us to look at this tweet here by CZ. Excuse There's a tweet here by CZ, so I want us to look at this. You see, CZ mentioned that in summary, BUSDT is issued and redeemed by Paxos, and funds are safe, meaning the funds are secured and is issued by Paxos. How sure is CZ that the funds are safe? And at one point again, he claims that BUSDT is fully run by Paxos. So how come is sure that BUSD funds are safe? He says here that like Binance will continue to support BUSD for the foreseeable future. We do foresee users migrating to other stable coins over time, and we will make product adjustment accordingly, e.g., move away from using BUSD as the main pair for trading. Okay, okay, wow. Look at what CZ is saying here. That means BUSD, according to them, if say it comes to the worst, they might resort to other options, maybe USDC or USDT. Well, Binance is already fully using USDT, and they forcefully convert all I think that was USDC to BUSD, and now they are saying that, yeah, what CZ is saying, Binance can in the foreseeable future adopt other stablecoin. That's literally what they're saying. So if say this come to the worst, if say the Fed put an eye or try to restrict Binance users from using BUSD, then they're gonna just set their hands on the new token. Given the ongoing regulatory uncertainty in certain market, we will be reviewing other projects in those jurisdictions to ensure our users are insulated from any undue harm. All right, as you can see, they are trying to make things more easier. So if say certain projects are not regulated in your country, you might not have an option to trade that cryptocurrency. Of course, guys, you can always use VPN to be part of Binance, but it's really not recommended for you to keep your funds, in Binance, and access it with VPN. You might end up losing your funds in the nearest future. So make sure you exploit other exchanges out there like Bybit, OKX. All the links are below this video. If say KuCoin as well, you can use all these exchanges. Don't keep all your eggs in one basket. And yeah, you can also use DEX platforms out there for your trading. And Binance CZ also tweeted this, that will try to keep 2020 we'll try to keep 2023 simple, spend more time on less things, do and don'ts, education, compliance, product and services, ignore fraud, fake news, attacks, etc. In the future, would appreciate if you can link to this post when I tweet. Oh, okay, that's cool. So you can see what is going on. This, according to CZ, this is all for to try to bring Binance down, and Binance is gonna be building more product. And yeah, people should link should remember tweets like this if that comes to pass. I see Binance being still the biggest DEX on the next 5 years. I don't think the US government can attack Binance and be successful. So that's exactly what they're trying to do, to attack Binance. But CZ is like, this guy is this guy is a genius. He understands what like how this works, how to build sustainable platforms, and that's exactly what CZ have been doing, like, for should I say for years now. He's been building non-stop. So it's pretty amazing to see what CZ is building. Now, if say we go to other crypto news, they just go to other crypto news. Bitcoin. Okay, I already mentioned this. Bitcoin could hit 10 million in 9 years, but more side chains needed. So yeah, like Ethereum have more side chains. There are lots of projects being built on Ethereum. So maybe if say Bitcoin have a lot of project built on Bitcoin, then we might say one Bitcoin hit 10 million within 9 years. This is gonna happen. The Lightning Network is built on Bitcoin, and other products are being built on Bitcoin. We're gonna see more product being built on Bitcoin. So this price is something we can see in the nearest future. There's also this tweet here that says Vitalik, not tweet, article that says Vitalik Buterin donate 227 K USD to help earthquake victims in Turkey. Wow, all those who have lost loved ones, friends, during that earthquake, my condolence to you all. It's really not a good thing to lose someone, and to see what Vitalik is doing is amazing. Reaching out to those who have lost loved ones, those who need help. Most people have lost their homes, so it's really good to see Vitalik, being part of this to help those out there who are suffering due to this crisis. Brazil's oldest bank allows residents to pay their taxes using crypto. Brazil recently passed a bill allowing users or its citizens to pay using Bitcoin, like to pay bills, those stuff in the country. So Bitcoin is considered as a formal, like a legal form of payment in Brazil. So you can accept payment in Bitcoin if say you find yourself in Brazil, you're running a business in Brazil, and now the government oldest bank has allowed residents to pay their taxes using crypto. So we can see adoption growing in this part of the world. And we saw this El Salvador's limited use of Bitcoin prevent forecast risk, says IMF fund. So the IMF has suggested that El Salvador reconsider its plans for Bitcoin following a recent visit to the country. Well, we know, excuse guys, I have cough. I'm so sorry. I have cough ever since I came back from Cameroon yesterday. I have been, it's like after effect. So I'm so sorry, guys. It's not easy, but I have to do a video. I love doing this. I know I cannot be without creating this content for you guys and for us all. So you can see what the IMF is trying to do right now is to scare El Salvador and citizens there that, okay, what the country is doing is bad. No, I think El Salvador is doing amazing. Like, they are doing so well, and in the next 5 years, it's gonna be one of the richest countries in the world. Remember, like, let me repeat, they are gonna be one of the richest country in the world. So don't forget this. Remember this. Keep this in mind. The next 5 years, we're gonna be talking about El Salvador as one of the top countries in the world when it comes to, assets, crypto asset and other assets. We are gonna be one of the richest. If we see latest crypto news in Nigeria or in Africa, grocery retailer Pick and Pay is now accepting Bitcoin payment via the Lightning Network nationwide following a 3-month testing phase. Wow, that's amazing. We're seeing adoption. These are all fundamentals that are signs for you who are investing in crypto long term to understand there is more adoption. Adoption is coming gradually, and we are seeing it from this, like from the news, like how major retailers, major banks, countries being adopting cryptocurrency, adopting Bitcoin, how Bitcoin mining saved South African, how Bitcoin mining saved